It's a saying as old as time, lightning never strikes the same place twice. But is there any truth to this electrifying claim? Today, we're storm chasing to find out, visiting lightning-prone areas and consulting with weather experts. Let's see if this myth can withstand the test of science. The myth suggests that lightning is too random to hit the same spot more than once. But what does science say? We're here to find out. Some places seem to be a magnet for lightning. Take the Empire State Building, struck over 100 times a year. Does this iconic skyscraper defy the old adage? We've gathered a panel of experts to shed light on this shocking subject. Spoiler alert, they all agree that lightning can and often does strike the same place twice. To understand why lightning might strike the same place multiple times, we need to look at how it forms. Tall, isolated objects are particularly vulnerable. Let's dive into the science. The evidence is clear. Lightning doesn't discriminate, and the same spot can be a target more than once, especially if it's tall and isolated. Myth busted. There you have it, folks. Lightning never strikes the same place twice is officially a myth. Thanks for joining us on this enlightening adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more myth-busting action. Stay safe and stay curious.